The thing I will tell you, my friend, we're going through a lot in this country right now. There's just so much angst and things that we could never have imagined that would happen in the United States of America that's happening. The humanitarian side of things that we never thought we'd see here in this country. And it causes stress, and people's lives are just really being destroyed by it. So I think for those of us, especially those of us who are especially empathetic, it's important that we surround ourselves with things that we can dream and we can see possibilities of what can happen when we put our fingers in the dirt. It's one of the reasons I love plants here inside the house. The indoor gardening part of it is because of it soothes my soul. And I just encourage you to look at ways. And if you haven't grown from seed before, oh, my friend, you must. You just must,